Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download blockchain on your PC. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download blockchain app on your PC, you'll need to first download an Android emulator. Go ahead and download any kind of an Android emulator that you'd want. In my case, I have the BlueStacks Android emulator. Once you have the emulator, click it open. Now, go to the Play Store button from your Android emulator homepage. In order to open up your Play Store, you will need to enter your Google account's credentials. Enter your Google account's credentials followed by its password, and once you end up in this For You page of Google Play, go to the top of the screen and click on the search box. Now type in blockchain into the search box and press enter. The application blockchain.com wallet by BTC will be available for your PC as well. Now click on the install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process, which should take a while depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a stable internet if you'd like the application to be downloaded faster and easier. Once the application downloads, it'll take a while to install as well. Wait until the installation is completed, and when your application is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button in green popping up right next to the app. Give a click on the open button to open your blockchain application right on your PC. That is how you can easily download blockchain app for your PC. Make sure to install an Android emulator and you'll be good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.